Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can create Zengo wallet account on your device. Firstly, Zengo is the most secure crypto wallet which will help you protect and manage all your cryptocurrencies. So without further ado, open the Zengo wallet app on your device. Now tap on the continue button. Firstly, you'll have to enter your valid email address. Now tap on continue. In this page, you'll have to tap on Open My Email in order to verify your email. You'll be directly led to your Gmail account. Tap on the email by Zengo. Now tap on the Tap to Confirm button. Here, you'll have to again continue. You'll now have to enable the device lock so that only you can access your wallet. So tap on Enable Device Lock. After enabling the device lock, you can choose whether you want to directly buy crypto, receive crypto and NFTs, or explore the app. I'm going to tap on Explore the app, and now you've successfully created your Zengo wallet account. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.